just wake up with a song in your head in the morning. I did this morning, and it was Good Morning by Kanye West. Beautiful day. That's the same Jetta I have at home. I miss Winston. You ever get those days where you just have a fat, zit that just hurts so bad? Yeah, well, today's one of those days. Right on my right there. It hurts so bad. Have you ever found one of those things where you just want to keep doing, that's the only thing you want to do? Like, vlogging right now, it's the only thing I want to do. I only want to edit. It's just something that makes you happy. And I think sometimes that's the kind of stuff that's what you're trying to look for in life, obviously, because that's the stuff you enjoy doing. So I think that's why I want to go into graphic design as well. That's why I'm doing school for graphic design, because I like it. It's fun. Okay, bye. My only thing that you want to do, you go to bed thinking about it, you wake up thinking about it, it's always on your mind, something that you always want to do. Just some morning thoughts. So today, I'm gonna be the only one working, besides my bosses obviously, but my coworker Kim decided to go on vacation. Cool. So, I don't know, we'll see what we're gonna do. Besides becoming a vlogger, there's something else I've always wanted to do in life that's been it'd be a pretty milestone. I want to be the guy who has cool socks all the time. Whoa! That was a huge whoa. But yeah, cool socks. You know how people wear dress socks, but they have cats on them or unicorns or something? Well, yeah, I want to be the guy who has those socks on. Today's not one of those days. Classic black Nikes with Adidas shoes. YOLO. I just realized I think I've been listening to the same song on repeat this entire time, but I haven't realized it. I don't know. I think I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I just realized this hat is perfect for Pokemon catching. It's a perfect adventuring hat. God, I love these things. So today at work, this tiny room, we're gonna just repaint white. So today I'm just gonna be taping off everything, fixing all these holes with a little spackle. But yeah, that's the spackle. Alright guys, we've officially finished I've officially finished taping and filling all the holes. Now we're just waiting for the putty to dry.